Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. Your daily update will tell you everything you need to know, or at least I'll try to tell you everything you need to know. I already said in my Bitcoin video, and I truly mean that right now it's Monday morning. All right, the volume over the course of the weekend was very, very low. Now we did get some new volume over the last 10 hours or so when the market opened a little bit, at least in Asia. So that's what we've seen. As you can see, volume for Solana, for example, is up to $1.5 billion again. So that's pretty good, all right. But there's still a lot of volume to kick in. The US markets need to open, etc. So we'll still see some volatility, and that's also in general. What we had is a relatively big sell-off, right? And we also, yesterday when we did the video, what we said is that Solana, if you purely technically look at it right now, it's stuck here between 150, where you have the 200 EMA, and just in general, 148 and 150 is a relatively strong level. And then you have that level at like 140, but that's a pretty ambiguous level because you can also pull it down a little bit. And that is important because with the sell-off we had, as you can see, we actually got that bearish breakout. But now, and it also seems to me that we are respecting it, at least so far. So we got a bearish breakout. It is Monday morning, and that's a positive thing because that means that we can actually reclaim this level. That is something we have to see, all right? Because right now, the absolute most important thing for Solana, I think you can already guess it, is Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin needs to really gain some strong momentum here and needs to probably also get some sort of a bullish breakout here if we want to see Solana reclaim support and also turn relatively bullish on the short term. All right, because if you look at Solana right here, there's sure the last hour we gained some momentum, but apart from that, since the 10th of May, so since Friday afternoon, we've been bearish, all right? We've been losing momentum. There's been no strength at all. So the most likely direction, that's also why I said it yesterday, because yesterday we talked about, all right, well, we're going to get a breakout. It's most likely that breakout is going to be bearish because there's no sign of any momentum. If you look at the fundamentals, daily active addresses, daily transactions are going up a little bit, but the total value locked and the DEX volumes are still down. They're not low, but they're also not growing. So that's still the case. All right. So until proven otherwise, I would say we are losing momentum and we are bearish. Now, like I said, even though that's the case, the most important factor is still Bitcoin. All right. So Solana can do very, very bad. Like Solana's network can drop down in all the metrics we can measure. And if Bitcoin is bullish, Solana will still be bullish. So that's the main thing to watch for today. I would say if it's only about Solana, I would say it's most likely we're going to drop down towards 135 and 127. All right, so that's what I would prepare for, while at the same point of time, and I will also keep you updated on this in my midday market update. So you will be updated a little bit on this, which I think is necessary. But no, if Bitcoin can get some sort of a breakout above 62,000 or even above 61,500, 800, excuse me, then you should keep your eyes on that, because if we get that breakout today, excuse me, that's some sort of a clock, then Solana will still be relatively bullish, all right? And Solana will recover back up to 150. And if Bitcoin is really bullish, we'll even break above 150. So that's definitely a possibility. That was my dog for no reason. As far as I can see. So we got that. We can do something like this if Bitcoin turns bullish. But I will keep you updated on that. For now, I think it's much more likely to assume we're going to drop down lower.